Now discuss about truth table. Truth table consists inputs and outputs. A, B are inputs and Y is output. To calculate how many combinations here, 2 power n. Here n indicates number of inputs bits. If we take n equal to 2, then 2 square equals to 4. The combination is 4. And n equal to 3, 2 cube, that implies 8. Combination 8. A, B, C are inputs. Timing diagram. Timing diagram. Diagrammatic representation of input and output. Low level, high level. The time diagram consists 2 levels. One is low level, another one is high level. Low level indicates 0 and high level indicates 1. It is represented by like this and high level represented by like this. Now by using this we are going to draw some timing diagram. A variable like capital A and time should be T1, T2, T3. T1 indicates 0, T2 1, T3 0. Diagrammatic representation of timing diagram. T1, T2, T3. A variable. T1 indicates 0, T2 1, T3 0. It should be like this. This is called as timing diagram for a variable A. Fundamental of Boolean algebra. Fundamentals of Boolean algebra. Fundamentals of Boolean algebra. These fundamentals are very important when we solving Boolean expression. To solve any Boolean expression, we need to apply these fundamentals to get answer easily. First fundamental is a plus 0 equal to a. Why we are taking a plus 0 is equal to a? For example, in case a represent a equal to 1, 1 plus 0 equal to 1 and a equal to 0, 0 plus 0 equal to 0. In these both case, a is having two possibilities, either 1 or 0. Second fundamental is 1 dot a is equal to a. For example, a is equal to 0, 1 dot 0 is equal to 0. a is equal to 1, 1.1 equal to 1. Third fundamental is a is equal to 1, then a bar equal to 0. Complement of anything is equal to negative value. If a is equal to 0, that implies a bar equal to 1. A is equal to 1, that implies a bar is equal to 0. Fourth and fifth fundamentals. A plus a equal to a and a dot a equal to a. These two are called as idempotent laws. Now we are going to solve these two also. How you are getting a plus a equal to a. A plus a equal to a. For suppose a plus a into a plus a bar. Here a plus a bar equal to 1. For example, 0 plus 1 equal to 1. 1 plus 0 equal to 1. So a plus a into a plus a bar equal to a into a plus a into a plus a into a bar plus a into a bar. Here a into a equal to a plus a into a equal to a plus a into a bar equal to 0 plus a into a bar equal to 0. So finally a plus a equal to, here a are common, so a into 1 plus 1. Here 1 plus 1 equal to 1. So a into 1 equal to a. To solve this, a into a equal to a, here a dot a plus 0, in the LHS adding 0. A plus a into a plus a bar. Here a dot a bar indicates 0. So a into a plus a into a bar is a into a plus a bar. So finally we get a.